Growing up, my calling was musician, but starting out it sound like banging pasta pans up in the kitchen. Mama said never let the world take your big heart, but mom, it's not for money and sweat, it's just for art. Will I ever find my style? Will I ever find my sound? Will I ever feel genuine with the shit that I put out? Cause knick-knack, paddywhack, broke about your bone. When my dreams hit me up cause I keep getting dialed tone. All these questions ask for answers that I can't find, but there's one thing that feels right. Oh honey, it's you. When I think about time, it's you. When I wanna clean my mind and I not have control over many things, but honey, I know it's you. When I think about time, it's you. When I wanna clean my mind and I not have control over many things, but you give me hope. Oh honey, it's you. Oh honey, it's you. Yeah. Well, every move has a purpose, everything happens for reasons. I go to sleep lucky, having your love all for seasons. If you know me well, you know I don't do this rapping a lot. It was one way to get this off my chest, out of my thoughts. My musical mood swings keep bringing me down. Will I ever be the man that I'm supposed to be now? Will I ever feel content as I drift off to sleep? These are the rhythms that make me will that wallow with me. All these questions ask for answers that I can't find, but there's one thing that feels right. Oh honey, it's you. When I think about time, it's you. When I wanna clean my mind and I not have control over many things, but honey, I know it's you. When I think about time, it's you. When I wanna clean my mind and I not have control over many things, but you give me hope. Oh honey, it's you. Oh honey, it's you. Oh honey, it's you. Honey, it's you. Oh honey, it's you.
You got me onto something. You sit back and enjoy the ride. Can't lose a lot from nothing. Lose it and you've lost your mind. You got me onto something. You sit back and enjoy the ride. Can't lose a lot from nothing. Lose it and you've lost your mind.
Everything's a little bigger. There's always a place and time. The city's all our garden. It's a different state of mind. Gotta move a little quicker. We're all trying to keep in check. The city's moving faster than I thought it would. It's not what the people said.
You got me onto something. You sit back and enjoy the ride. Can't lose a lot from nothing. Lose it and you've lost your mind. You got me onto something. You sit back and enjoy the ride. Can't lose a lot from nothing. Lose it and you've lost your mind.
It's a bit of change to adjust to. You could never be prepared. There's no need to ask for permission. Judge it right and you'll be there. You'll be there. You'll be there. You'll be there.
You got me onto something. You sit back and enjoy the ride. Can't lose a lot from nothing. Lose it and you've lost your mind. You got me onto something.
the better. But I'm here and that's enough. So it'll only get bigger. But now we got a thing to do. Before we had to see the day through. When we were still living in our youth.
When we were still living in our youth. You got me onto something. We sit back and enjoy the ride. Can't lose a lot from nothing. Lose it and you've lost your mind. You've got me onto something. We sit back and enjoy the ride. Can't lose a lot from nothing. Lose it and you've lost your mind.